And so my goal here is to at least inform everybody of the concept so people understand what the internal rate of return is. And then hopefully you know how it's calculated, but more importantly, you know how to use it so that you can be more confident and more savvy investors, which at the end of the day is going to make you grow your wealth, which is why we're all here. It's going to make you get to your goals faster. So that's my hope here. Before I jump in, there's a caveat though. This is going to be an interactive presentation. So there's going to be times when you're going to have to raise your hands. There's going to be times when people are going to have to speak and give inputs, because if we don't, it's going to be incredibly boring. So I need everybody here to be ready to be interactive with this presentation. Otherwise, you can just take a nap for 25 minutes, and then we'll see you later, okay? All right, okay. All right, so the next question, internal rate of return. Who knows the technical definition for internal rate of return?
I think it's present value of future returns.
Present value of future returns, very close.
It's the rate of return that makes your net present value equal to 0.
Exactly. The technical term is the discount rate at which the net present value of an opportunity is equal to 0. It's clear, right? Everybody gets that, right? Why is everybody looking at me? What? Yeah, okay. So, or let's put it in layman's terms, which a lot of people in real estate probably have heard. Another proxy is it's an annual rate of return of an investment that factors in the time value of money. I think that one's a little easier to understand, but it's also fairly accurate. So if that's what it is, annual rate of return that factors in time value of money, now our next question is, what's the time value of money? So this is the next interactive part. So we're going to try to understand time value of money. I got a question for you all. You're going to have to raise your hands. I'm going to give you two options. So I'm coming to you and I'm saying, okay, option A, I'm going to give you all, each of you, $10,000 tonight, right now. When you leave that door, I'll give you $10,000. Or in 3 years, we all come right back here, we meet, and I'll give you $10,000 then. All right, that's option B. So raise your hand if you'll take option B. If in 3 years, you'll meet me here and you'll take $10,000. Raise your hand. Okay. Raise your hand if you would rather have $10,000 right now, option A. All right, that's good. Yeah. Okay. Some people didn't raise their hands, so I guess they don't want money. Time value of money simply states money today is more valuable than money in the future, right? And we all kind of get that. I kind of put 3 reasons there, but does anybody want to explain why they would take money today versus money in 3 years? Who wants to tell me why they chose that? Yeah. It might not be a lot. It might not be a lot because of inflation, because it might be devalued. Yeah. Anybody else? You can make it into 20 or 30,000 investment. You can invest that money. And I put a third one here, which is control. You have the control to do what you want with your money right now. If you want to invest it, if you want to put it in a bank, if you want to buy a boat, you can do whatever you want and get happiness out of it. So you have control over it, so it's more valuable now than in the future, right?